Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am discussing some important problems asked in various examinations. These are the problems asked in KCET 2018 and IIT JAM 2021. These both questions are same. Limit intensity pi k is equal to 1 to pi cos of pi by 2 power of k is equal to the given four options. And here pi indicates product, means multiplication. Okay, here IIT JAM 2021 also they ask same question. Limit n tends to infinity cos pi by 2, cos pi by 4, cos pi by 8 and so on, cos pi by 2 4 of n. They also given four options. I am giving a simple trick to solve this problem within 5 seconds. The trick is if limit n tends to infinity pi k is equal to 1 to n. Okay, k is equal to k is equal to 1 to n, then cos of x by 2 power of n. The given problem is in the like this. The given problem like this. Then this is n. Okay, like this. Then the direct trick is sin x by x. This is the trick. By using this trick, in place of x here, pi is there. Okay, x is equal to pi, therefore sin pi by pi, that is what is sin pi by value? 0. 0 by anything? 0 only. Therefore the correct option is B. Here also C, in this C. Okay, this is also same problem. We take in we convert this problem in the form of like this. This is also same problem, but I give the proof for this trick also in this video. This is the trick, but I give the proof also for this trick. Okay, what is the proof? We know that this return is in the form of like this. Nice, limit n tends to infinity cos cos of x by 2, cos of x by 2 square, cos of x by 2 cube and so on, cos of x by 2 4 of n. Okay, this is the general, you know that. Okay, we know that in the trigonometry of angle formulas. Okay, that is sin 2 theta formula. What is sin 2 theta formula? 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, by using this formula we solve this problem. Okay, in place of theta we taken theta by 2, we get theta. Okay, theta by 2, 2 to get cancelled, we get theta, and 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Okay, we converted this formula into this. Okay, we taken like this. Okay, what we taken limit, we get like this. Yes or no? Otherwise we take directly x only, no problem. Okay, no problem, we take x directly, no problem. Okay, that means sin x is equal to sin x by 2 cos x by 2, no problem. Okay, that means sin x is equal to again 2. In place of sin x by 2 we replace x x by 2. Okay, we get by using again this formula. Okay, what we get? 2 is common. We get sin in place of x we taken x by 2. Okay, we taken x by 2 again. Okay, what we get? In place of x we get taken x by 2. What we get? Here x by 4 and cos x by 4. Here cos x by 2 is there. Okay, okay, again we take here 2 sin in place of x, again we take x by 4. In place of x we take an x by 4. We get what we get? What is the formula of sin x by 4? We substitute here, we get here 2 is there, here also, that is 2 square. Okay, here 2 square is there, again we get 2 and sin x by what we get? 4 square. Okay, 4 to the 8 and cos x by 8 and cos x by 4 and cos x by 2. Yes or no? That is sin x. We get like this. That means this written as 2 cube. Okay, we get like this. Also one. Also one. What is the n term we written? That is sin x is equal to 2 per. We observe that here 1 is there, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If n term is 2 4 of n. Okay, yes or no? That means we written like this, and what if we get sin of x by 2 4 of n. Okay, this 8 is written as 2 cube, 2 cube, this 8 written as 2 cube. Okay, yes or no? This 8 returns 2 cube, this is 2 square, this is 2. That means we observe the pattern. He gets this like sin x by 2 4 of n and cos x by 2 4 of n and so on. Okay, cos x by 2 cube and cos x by 2 square and cos x by 2. We get like this. This whole term come to denominator. We get sin x by 2 power of n into sin x by 2 power of n. Okay, this is equal to cos x by 2 power of n and so on, cos x by 2 square and cos x by 2. Okay, we get like this. Then we take limit n tends to infinity. Take limit n tends to infinity on both sides. Limit n tends to infinity. That means limit n tends to infinity sin x by 2 power of n into sin x by 2 power of n. Okay, this is equal to limit n tends to infinity cos of x by 2 power of n and so on, cos of x by 2 square, that is cos of x by 2. Okay, we get like this. I am written here. Okay, what we get, that is limit n tends to infinity sin x by 2 4 of n into sin of x by 2 4 of n. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity cos of x by 2 4 of n and so on, cos of x by 2 cube, cos of x by 2 square and cos of x by 2. We get like this. Okay, we take limit n tends to infinity. This we return like this. This is we take multiply and divide. Okay, what we get, x by 2 power of n into x by 2 power of n. Okay, multiply and divide because we know that properties of limits. Limit n tends to infinity sin limit n tends to 0 sin x by x value is what, 1. Okay, we know that like that. Limit n tends to infinity sin 1 by x value is also 1. Okay, like this is in the form of like this. Okay, that's why this 2 4 of n, this 2 4 of n get cancelled, and limit n tends to infinity, this whole term value is 1. Therefore sin x, and we get sin x by x. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity cos of x by 2 4 of n and so on, cos of x by 2 square, cos of x by 2. This is the required result for your question. This is the required trick for your question. Okay, understood? Yes. Okay, this like we solve the problems. Okay, here we taken this trick directly. Okay, we get any value here, we directly use this trick or this result. Okay, these are the problems asked in both cases as well as IIT JAM, and this problem also asked in CMI examination also. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and in my next video I am discussing by using this result I have solved the one of the MIT problem. Okay, one of the standard institute. MIT is the one of the standard institute, that is international university. Okay, by that university entrance exam problem, one of the important problem I am discussing in my next video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.